In the old days, people used to go into cemeteries with paper and some kind of soft pencil or crayon, and they would put the paper on the headstone, and they would make rubbings like this. The idea was to capture that image. This is what I call dry rubbing. What I want to show you is something else that can be done with rubbing, and it has to do with wet acrylic paint. I'm using my clustered leaf stencil, which I have cut from the frame, and I'm placing paper over it. When I started to experiment with this technique, I used different kinds of scrapers. This is a shower squeegee. It has a little bit of a flexible end. I also used one of these jumbo-sized, almost like a credit card. It's an ad that comes in the mail. We have 1 million of these, and they're a little bit flexible. But what I found that I had the best results with was this. It's a drywall knife, and it's found in home improvement stores. This one, of course, has a lot of paint on it. It's made out of metal, and it's not flexible at all. I always wear gloves when I'm dealing with acrylic paint. I don't like to get too much of it onto my skin, because then I have to spend a lot of time washing it off, and then everything dries out, because I'm at that stage of life where everything just dries up like a prune. The paint I'm going to use is manganese blue hue, and it's by Golden. I don't get any money for saying that, but I just like Golden. It's not the only brand I use, but I like it a lot. I spread out a thread of the color. I place the blade down like this. It's about a 45-degree angle, give or take. And there you have it. It's a very subtle imprint. You could probably get something similar with your jelly plate, but I just like to do it this way. This is an example of another print that I did in the same way, except that I used different colors of paint. And another exception was that after I went straight down on this left side, I came back on the right side and I did some sideways scoops. And I still had some of the blue paint on the blade, so it showed through in this way. Thanks for watching.